tools at school. Most of the stations, your tool is a dice or die. We need to make sure that they stay on the table. So back there, we remember. We also need to think about what are those expectations. Our learning target number 4 says that we're going to review our rules for and practice math to self and math with someone. Let's point at that chart up there. That way I know that everybody is paying attention. That first one, math to self. Next door. Voice level 0 in math to self. Don't bother others. Focus on your own work. Stay in one spot and working the whole time. What is that? That's math to self. Math to self. Math with someone. It says level 1. That is a whisper. Stay in one spot. Stay focused on your work. Ask 3. Before Miss Taylor, who's the first person you need to ask at your table? Who do you ask first?
Captain.
Your table captain. And then that last one says to be cooperative. Miss Taylor, I still don't know what that word means. That means that you are sharing your materials. That means that you are using nice words with the people that are at your table. That means that you are being nice. Okay? Let's listen to our stations. So that means that you are listening at table number 1. We are still working on our math fluency. Yellow is what? Easy. Green is medium. And red is challenging. So what does that yellow one mean? What do you say if somebody asks you, why are you working on that yellow activity? What do you tell them? Bailey? It's easy, I can do that all by myself. What about this green one? What about that green one? Why would you choose the green one, Gavin?
It's not that hard and I can do it with a partner.
It's not that hard. I can do it with a partner. What else could you say for that green one? Eddie?
It's a little challenging and I know math well.
It's a little challenging, but I know math well. What about that red one? What about that red one, Troy?
It's hard and I want to get smarter.
It's kind of hard, but I'm trying to get smarter. And we've talked about what you should be working on when you get to that station. At table number 2, we've added something different. We've been looking at the roll it, write it, show it, where you put it in the 10 frame. That's the easy one. The green one, you are using 2 die to make it, roll it, make it, and expand it using 2 digits. And Miss Taylor has added the challenging one, using 3 to write it in expanded form, a 3-digit number. Okay, so that red one, that one's new. You're going to roll 3 dice. You're going to put it in the chart. What digit is in the hundreds? What digit is in the tens place? What digit is in the ones place? And then table 3, we have those application problems, which are our word problems. For your word problems, you should have what? What should you have for your word problems? What should you have for your word problems to show me that you understand? Troy.
A word problem, a model, and a number sentence.
So your number sentence, your word sentence, and some type of model. At table number 4, you all are going to be working on Moby Max. You need to make sure that you are working on math. You should not be working on another subject. And for table number 5, we're going to be doing math in review. You are listening closely. At your table, please stand up. You need your pencil and your math journal. Pencil and math journal. where you're at. So we're listening. So what's the next station? Table 3, where are you all going to go?
Table 5.
Table 5, where are you all going?
Table 1.
Table 1, where are you all going?
Table 2.
Table 2, where are you all going?
Table 3.
Table 4, where are you all going?
Table 3.
Table 3. Let's listen. The expectation is to move on a 0. When you get there, please stay standing at your station. Go ahead, please. So, which 2 tables are math to self? Which tables are math to self? Raise your hand if your table is math to self. So that's 1. What other table? 5 and 4. Table number 3 and 5, you all are working with someone. If you forget what the expectations are, please look back at the chart that is on the board. We're going to try to work for 20 minutes. Go ahead and have a seat.